13 life-changing baking soda hacks you need to try today. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile white powder commonly found in kitchens. While it's often associated with baking or science experiments, its uses extend far beyond those realms. From relieving canker sores to freshening your fridge, baking soda offers a plethora of benefits for your health and home. Let's delve into 13 life-changing baking soda hacks that you can incorporate into your routine starting today. 1. Reduces canker sores. Canker sores can be painful and uncomfortable. Fortunately, baking soda can provide relief. Its alkalinity helps neutralize acids that irritate canker sores, while its antibacterial properties aid in healing. A simple paste of baking soda and water can be applied directly to the sore for soothing relief. 2. Relieve acid reflux. Acid reflux affects millions of people, causing discomfort and heartburn. Baking soda, when ingested with water, can help neutralize stomach acid, providing relief from symptoms. While more research is needed, many people find this home remedy helpful in managing occasional heartburn. 3. Gets rid of filthy fridge smell. A stinky fridge is a common household nuisance, often caused by spoiled food or bacterial growth. Baking soda can effectively neutralize odors by absorbing foul-smelling molecules. Simply place a plate of baking soda in the fridge to freshen the air and eliminate unpleasant smells. 4. May relieve arthritis pain. Research suggests that baking soda may have anti-inflammatory properties, making it potentially beneficial for those with arthritis. By creating an alkaline environment in the body, baking soda may help reduce joint inflammation and alleviate pain associated with rheumatoid arthritis. 5. Remove stains. Stubborn stains on clothes or furniture can be frustrating, but baking soda can come to the rescue. A paste made of baking soda and water can be applied to stains and left to work its magic. Its gentle abrasive action helps lift stains, leaving surfaces clean and refreshed. 6. Helps whiten your teeth. Baking soda's mild abrasive properties make it an excellent natural teeth whitener. By combining it with lemon juice, you can create a homemade teeth whitening paste. However, it's essential to use this remedy sparingly to avoid damaging tooth enamel. 7. May help your kidneys. Chronic kidney disease is a serious condition that affects kidney function over time. Some studies suggest that baking soda supplements may help delay the progression of kidney disease by reducing acidity in the body. More research is needed to confirm these findings fully. 8. Treats dry skin. Baking soda's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties make it a soothing remedy for dry, itchy skin. Mixing baking soda with coconut oil creates a moisturizing paste that can be applied to the skin to reduce redness and irritation. 9. An effective body scrub. For a natural exfoliating treatment, mix baking soda with water to create a thick paste. Massage the paste into your skin in circular motions to remove dead skin cells and reveal a smoother, more radiant complexion. 10. Bad breath solution. Baking soda can help combat bad breath by neutralizing acids and eliminating bacteria in the mouth. Using baking soda as a mouthwash can freshen breath and promote oral hygiene without the harsh chemicals found in some commercial mouthwashes. 11. Helps relieve insect bite irritation. For relief from mosquito bites, apply a paste of baking soda and water directly to the affected area. Baking soda's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce itching and swelling, providing relief from insect bites. 12. All-natural deodorant. Commercial deodorants often contain harsh chemicals and fragrances. Baking soda offers a natural alternative that effectively neutralizes body odor. Simply mix baking soda with water to create a paste and apply it to your underarms for all-day freshness. 13. May help fight cancer. Preliminary studies suggest that baking soda may enhance the effectiveness of chemotherapy in treating certain types of cancer. By reducing acidity in the tumor environment, baking soda may help chemotherapy drugs target cancer cells more effectively. However, more research is needed to validate these findings fully. Conclusion. From soothing canker sores to freshening your fridge, baking soda is a versatile household staple with numerous health and home benefits. By incorporating these baking soda hacks into your daily routine, you can harness its power to improve your well-being and simplify your life. Experiment with these remedies and discover the transformative potential of this humble kitchen ingredient.